Hello guys, today we're gonna speak about Wallet Connect. Too much user ask about Wallet Connect and how to connect your wallet and bound your social media. Let's complete after the intro. Hello guys, you are welcome in our channel TechZone. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening, you are welcome. Today we gonna speak for Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, for Italian Benvenuti, for French Enchanté, for Spanish Hola. Today you gonna speak about how to connect uh, your wallet in B network. Right now, as you see, there are in the right side up this mark. You have to click on it and directly go down and go to account and security, and you will found for me I found Discord, Telegram, X, email, not Facebook, but my phone number, and I still waiting for wallet. Right now it's sometime it's holding and do not connect directly, but I will show you how to do it. Click in bind now. If your wallet need to open by password or something like that, do it. And as you see, it's waiting. I waiting. I don't know why this the message. You have to click connect, permission update, and it must directly going to your wallet. I do it again. You will find a message called sign in. Yes, this message. Please sign in this message directly. If you click in sign in, it would work directly. Uh, I believe that's all about B network. I will let for you also the article in description box if you need more information. Goodbye.